Well, it is time for Whether or Not, where Professor Lauren Oleski, or we like to call her Proleski, asks us a fancy schmancy weather question. And usually, let's be honest, we guess.
Yeah, we do
I usually
guess.
have no idea.
Today's not too fancy.
Yes. And
Today's
we can't
something
look.
we've talked.
We
yeah,
can't
you
research it before.
We can't research it. So it's something I've heard of before, but my answer is still a guess.
Okay,
Yeah.
so usually, a lot of people hear about this. We asked about if you count the seconds between between seeing thunder and hearing lightning, does that measure the distance that the storm?
Hearing thunder and seeing lightning?
Seeing lightning and then hearing the thunder after it, does counting the seconds, I don't know if I said that properly, I'm tired.
You did it the second time.
Okay, does counting the seconds in between it help to measure the distance? So usually people say it's 1 second for every mile that the storm is. So we asked it as a true or false question. Does every second equal 1 mile? So of course you guys know we do put these out on social media, our Facebook and Twitter accounts, so that the viewers, you guys are able to get involved and guess or answer and see if you guys get it right. So the majority of our viewers said that this was true, that 1 second is 1 mile for every for the distance the storm would be.
Yeah.
Okay.
And of course we have ours that we ask all of our Good Day teams. So Friendy, Courtney, Destiny said true, Britton Taylor had said false, and then Jason, our other producer, said true.
Okay.
So the answer is false.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job, Britton Taylor.
Yeah, good for you.
So do you have any idea why? Or
No idea.
What the distance is?
I have no idea. It just sounded too simple to be true. I mean, as much as I've learned, which you've taught us a lot about weather, and it's never simple. So that's why I'm like, it just sounds too simple to be
So
true.
you can still count, but it's not 1 second to 1 mile. Lightning moves at about 180,000 miles or something per second.
Boom.
So it's very fast.
Is that your thunder noise?
So if you count, every 5 seconds is 1 mile. So instead of it being 1 second to 1 mile, it's 5 seconds to 1 mile.
5 seconds.
So the storm's much closer than you would actually think. So if you count to 5 seconds, you think, oh, it's 5 miles away. It's actually only 1 mile away.
Okay, so if there's 5 seconds between when you see the lightning and when you hear the thunder, then it's only 1 mile away.
Right. So 10 seconds is 2 miles. 15 seconds is 3 miles. So it just kind of shows you that the storms are much closer than you actually think they are.
Okay.
And anytime you hear thunder, you need to go inside because that means that there is lightning in the area, and of course, lightning is very dangerous.
Very interesting.
So every 5 seconds is
Every
1 mile.
5
Well, that's
seconds.
good to know.
5 seconds.
Okay, I'm going to do that. The next time if I say, I'm like, 1, 2, 3.
It's interesting that there is an actual ratio, that so you can kind of, especially when you think about like football games, when you think about events outside, that you can kind of prepare yourself and think, okay, now's
so you
the
can
time.
you can get a little bit of a better idea. It's not exact. Some people say Mississippi faster than others. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. But some people so it's a guesstimate, but overall it kind of helps to give you a little bit of better understanding as to how close or far away that storm is.
Good to know.
Proleski.
Well, thanks for that, Lauren.
Great.
Proleski. We'll be